Ever wonder why science, math, and computers feel complicated and how to apply them in real life? Hi, I'm Myspexg. Welcome to Myspexverse, a place where we demystify science, physics, chemistry, biology, math, and even computer science in ways anyone can understand. We don't just explain concepts, we show why they matter, how to apply them, and tell their stories in a fun and easy to grasp way. From fixing tricky problems to understanding the world around you, Myspexverse makes learning practical and exciting. And soon we'll bring do-it-yourself engineering projects, hands-on experiment you try by yourself. Because here we believe the future belongs to the polymer. Hit the subscribe button. Join the journey to explore knowledge, one story at a time.